You're gonna start smelling your own smoke, by the way. But you're probably like that. We are doing some Renuvion today. We are tightening up. I like to call these tennis knees. The equivalent is the tennis elbows from playing out and being active and getting wrinkly knees. We've gone ahead and numbed the patient. She's completely awake. And we're emitting energy, which is raising the temperature under her skin to 82 Celsius for a split second. You can actually see the light under her knees. Now we are going to do Morpheus8 to the knees. So the Renuvion is raising the temperature underneath the skin, but what it's really doing is it's getting the connections between the skin and the muscle underneath to contract down. So it's kind of tightening the skin in the sense that it's pulling it towards the muscles. As those connections have become lax, the skin kind of sags, so it's kind of doing that tightening. The Morpheus8 is actually going in, we're hitting it at 3 different levels with the radiofrequency heat in the needles. So we're doing 6 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 2 millimeters. So at 3 different levels with each pulse, we're hitting high energy radiofrequency. Patient's numb because I injected her for the Renuvion. We're going to take advantage of that and napalm the skin to get as much tightening as possible.